Well guys, welcome to Herkimer Random at youtube.com. As you can see here, I got 6 corn tortillas down here. So we're going to do something a little bit different here. So I thought I'd just do this video just for fun. It's going to be interesting. And like I said, I got 6 tortillas down here. We got some Colby Monterey Jack cheese. And then we've got some Louisiana Supreme hot sauce. And then over here we have some bologna. So I'll be showing you what I'm going to do here in just a moment. Alright guys, as you can see, I put some hot sauce in each one of these here. You guys know where I'm going with this, obviously. So we're going to spread that out a little bit around the whole tortilla. And then what we're going to do is going to put everything in the oven here in just a few minutes here. I thought this would be a different idea for a video. So I don't know if you guys ever had fried bologna when you were a kid. So it's a pretty neat idea I thought it would be to do. So what we're doing is put some bologna on there and some cheese on there. We're going to put in the oven. We'll just keep an eye on it. Right now I got the oven at 300, but we'll just keep an eye on the oven very closely if you're going to try this. So I'm not sure the exact temperature I'm going to keep it in there, but 300 is what I have it at the moment. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Like I said, if you like my videos, Herkimer at Random at youtube.com. Like, subscribe, click that bell button. Click on notifications, or click on the bottom right hand corner of your screen, click on my face, and it should bring up a subscribe button. Alright, we're going to continue from here in just a second. Basically, I'm just using a spoon here just to spread it around here. Now, you don't want too much of the sauce on here. It does have a good spice to it. And this Louisiana Hot Sauce Supreme it actually is from Louisiana. And you got this at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. So get this spread out a little bit better here. Move this over there just a little bit. There we go. And try to spread it all the way around as much as you can. You want to try to cover the whole tortilla, the corn tortilla as much as you want. You can also use flour tortilla if you prefer that. These will have less carbs in it. So 2 of these together makes about 21 carbs. Alright, I think that should be good for right now at the moment. Alright. Yeah, it's a little out of focus there, sorry about that. Not sure why it's not. There we go. Alright, so now we're going to put our cheese on here. We'll spread it around, then we'll put our bologna on there, and then put some more cheese. Alright guys, I'll show that in just a moment. Let's see if I can operate the camera here and put some cheese on here at the same time. Kind of spread it around a little bit. I'll let you know how long it takes to cook these at 300 degrees, so that way we don't end up burning them or anything like that. So basically it's just like a pizza. Pretty simple. Pizzas are very easy to make. All kinds of different doughs. You guys can different types, deep dishes and things like this. I guess this would be like a super thin crust pizza, but with bologna instead. Yeah, don't worry, I'm gonna put more cheese on here. On top too, so with the bologna once I get it on there. I'll put a little bit more over here, obviously. Try to cover up as much as you can. I mean, don't overdo it unless you want to, because you're gonna put more cheese on top of this. So, all right, let's get bologna. Basically, I'm just gonna break out the bologna and put it on there. All right, YouTube world. Here's the fake pizzas with the bologna on there, with the yellow corn tortillas on there. Just I got cheese underneath there, and I just tore some bologna. Put it on there. You guys can do the same thing too, or however you want it. Or if you want to, you can even just lay out the whole piece of bologna on there and do it that way, and put some cheese on top. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some more cheese on top of all these. Just a little bit, not too terribly much. Just like that. Or you can leave without cheese too if you don't want to put it on there. Like I said, I got some Louisiana hot sauce on the bottom for my base. For like, no, which would be considered like my marinara, I guess you could say. Alright, there. So we're going to put these in the oven at 300 degrees. I'll let you know what the time is going to be for it when I get a chance to see. I'm going to watch these closely because these are probably going to cook pretty quickly. And these are going to get the... It's almost like a tostada kind of, sort of, but not quite. Alright guys, hope you enjoy this. We'll see how they come out. We'll be back here in just a little bit and show you the results. Alright guys, we got them in the oven there. Looks like they're starting to crisp up just a tiny bit. And I do have this at 300. It's not quite warmed yet, but this oven's old, so it takes a while. This oven's like from the 1960s or something like that. It's a very old oven. But anyways, we'll get it going here. And we'll take a look at it in here in just a few more minutes. So it's only been about 3 minutes at the most. We'll be back soon. Alright guys, you see the cheese is starting to melt. And the bologna is starting to, not quite there yet, but it will be. Like I say, you want to wash it as close as possible because you don't want these to burn. So, like I said, it's like a fake pizza bologna, I guess you say. But this, we have some Louisiana hot sauce on there. So, we'll keep it going. It's been about 6 minutes at the most so far. Alright guys, look, this is about done. I'll give me about 2 more minutes. You can see the tortillas have a nice little crust shell thing to them there, starting to get a little bit there crunchy, so we'll take them out in just about a minute or so here. And then I'll show you the finished product, which you're pretty much going to see from here. Alright guys, talk to you soon. Alright ladies and gentlemen, there's the finished product. Got the bologna on there, the cheese, and the Louisiana hot sauce as our base for like a marinara. I guess these are more like tostadas than anything, which looks like they turn out to be tostadas. And we got a little bit of crispy bologna here a little bit. So hope you guys enjoy this video. It gives you an idea what you can do. And for the total time I put in the oven was about 10 minutes at the most. We'll say 10 to 12 at 300 degrees, but just keep on it. Well, you guys probably could cook it longer if you wanted to get more of a crispy bologna. Hope you enjoy this video. It was Herkimer at random at youtube.com. Like, subscribe, hit that bell button for all notifications. And you can also click on the bottom right hand corner of your screen, click on the face, bring up the subscribe button, and you can subscribe from there. Have a great day and be safe. Talk to you soon and bring in some more videos here within a couple of days. Bye.